Welcome to the first in our new series of vlogs. In the first of a new series of our vlogs. So we've called this new vlog series the Almanac of Mild Curiosities, open brackets, and diverse locations of historic and scenic value, close brackets. How's the temperature?
Here we are at Whorneyside Force, and I've just been for a swim in this lovely pool and waterfall.
So I hope you enjoyed the first in our new series of vlogs, and please make sure you find our channel on YouTube. It's WC21 UK Productions. Like it, subscribe it, and make sure that you click the notifications. We'll be vlogging again soon, so stay tuned.